Did you know humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas? That's right, those yellow curved fruits you grab for a snack share a significant chunk of their building blocks of life with you. It might sound unbelievable, but it's true. This fascinating fact opens a window into the incredible interconnectedness of all living things on Earth. It also makes you wonder, what exactly is DNA and how can we be so closely related to a fruit? Think of DNA as the instruction manual for building and running a living organism. It's like a complex recipe book that contains all the necessary instructions to create and maintain life. It's a long, spiraling molecule found inside almost every cell of your body. This molecule is incredibly intricate and yet so fundamental to life. This microscopic blueprint contains all the genetic information that makes you, you. It holds the secrets to your unique traits and characteristics. From the color of your eyes to your height, it's all encoded in your DNA. Every single feature, from your hair texture to your skin tone, is dictated by this genetic code. This genetic code is written using just 4 letters, A, T, C, and G. These letters stand for the nucleotides, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. These letters represent chemical building blocks called nucleotides. They pair up in specific ways to form the rungs of the DNA ladder. Just like the 26 letters of the alphabet can be arranged to create countless words and sentences, these 4 letters can be combined in myriad ways to form the instructions for life. These 4 letters form the language of life. They spell out the genetic instructions that guide the development and functioning of every living organism. The specific sequence of these letters determines the traits and characteristics of every living organism. From the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, DNA is the universal code that connects all life on Earth. Now, back to those bananas. While it's true we share a whopping 60% of our DNA with them, it's important to understand what that means. We didn't evolve from bananas, nor are we about to sprout peels and hang from trees. The shared DNA mostly relates to the fundamental functions of life that all organisms share. Think about the basic processes happening inside your body right now: breathing, converting food into energy, cell growth, and repair. Bananas, as different as they seem, carry out similar processes at the cellular level. The 60% shared DNA represents the genes responsible for these essential functions, highlighting the common ancestry of all life on Earth. Section 4. The amazing world of shared DNA. DNA, the blueprint of life, is a fascinating molecule that connects all living beings in ways we are only beginning to understand. The banana isn't the only surprising relative we have in the animal kingdom. In fact, humans share about 50% of their DNA with bananas. This might sound strange, but it shows how all life on Earth is interconnected. Get this, humans share about 99.9% of their DNA with each other. This means that the genetic differences between any 2 people on the planet are incredibly small. That tiny 0.1% difference is what makes each of us unique. It determines our individual traits, from our eye color to our susceptibility to certain diseases. We're even more closely related to chimpanzees, sharing about 98.7% of our DNA with them. This close genetic relationship highlights our shared ancestry and evolutionary path. This close genetic relationship reflects our shared evolutionary history. Over millions of years, small genetic changes have led to the diversity of life we see today. But it gets even wilder. Our genetic connections extend beyond our primate cousins. Did you know that humans share about 60% of their DNA with fruit flies? These tiny insects, often considered pests, are actually valuable in genetic research because of these shared genes. These tiny buzzing insects might seem worlds apart, but at the fundamental level of DNA, we have a surprising amount in common. This shared DNA helps scientists understand basic biological processes that are common to all life forms. These similarities highlight the interconnectedness of life on Earth. From the smallest fruit fly to the largest mammal, we are all part of a vast, intricate web of life, connected by the threads of DNA. This shared genetic heritage reminds us of our place in the natural world and the importance of preserving the biodiversity that makes our planet so unique. Section 5. Connected by life. A grand perspective. The fact that we share so much DNA with other living things, even those seemingly as different as bananas, is a testament to the grand story of evolution. It tells us that all life on Earth, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, is connected through a common ancestor billions of years ago. This understanding fosters a sense of wonder and awe at the intricate web of life on our planet. It reminds us that we are part of something much bigger than ourselves, a vast and interconnected web of life that deserves our respect and protection. So the next time you see a banana, remember the surprising genetic connection you share with it. It's a reminder that life on Earth is a beautiful tapestry woven together by the threads of DNA. This intricate connection is not just a scientific fact, but a profound realization that can change how we view the world around us. The study of genetics and DNA has opened up new frontiers in understanding our place in the universe. It has revealed that we are all part of a single vast family tree, with roots that stretch back to the dawn of life itself. This knowledge bridges the gap between the past and the present, showing us that the story of life is one of continuity and connection. It also highlights the unity and diversity, reminding us that despite our differences, we share a common heritage. This shared genetic heritage can inspire us to work together to protect our planet and its myriad forms of life. By understanding our genetic connections, we can foster a deeper appreciation for the natural world and our role in preserving it. Every action we take to protect the environment is a step towards safeguarding the intricate web of life that we are all a part of. Education and awareness are key to this effort. By teaching future generations about the importance of our genetic connections, we can ensure that they grow up with a sense of responsibility towards the planet and all its inhabitants. In the end, recognizing our place in the grand tapestry of life can inspire us to live more harmoniously with nature and each other. It's a beautiful reminder that we are all connected, and that our actions have the power to shape